Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you when I first got my newly used 2021 Toyota Tacoma and what I did right from the start to preserve and make the interior look a lot better. So I got this back on October 13th, 2023. It has 60,000 miles and I bought the truck for $29,800 plus tax title license, and I got the 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. So the out the door price was $33,800. I think that was a pretty good deal. I have been pricing around for a bit, and I also compared, other trucks like this one in the area, and this one was about $1,500 less, and it had nicer tires and it had a bed cover. So I think that was a plus. This wasn't exactly the truck I was looking for. I mean, it is nice, but I did want the forward drive Tacoma, and I wanted the 6-foot bed. But for the price, it was within my budget. It's what I could afford, and I'm still happy with what I got. I do have a child. It is kind of tight back there with the car seat for them. He was kicking the seat and putting his feet on the seat and made it dirty. But that's why I put that cover there until I got the new covers, the seat covers. But yeah, the rest of this video, I'll just be showing you me cleaning the stains and making it look better, detailing it, and also just showing you some interior modifications you can do to, preserve the interior, like installing seat covers. It all depends on you, on the price range you want. You can go fancy, go simple, depending where you get it, what quality. I got some of my stuff on Temu, like the center console cover, because I know I would rest my elbow on there all the time. I also got the dashboard cover and the steering wheel cover on Temu. The only thing I got on Amazon were the seat covers, because I wanted to make sure I get some good seat covers, which I'm glad I did, because the ones I got were very good. They were a tight fit, they had good quality, and I'm happy with them. So to clean it, I just used this simple, water just to wet the seats, vacuum it. I didn't use no shampoo or chemicals just to make it smell good. I forgot to take before and after pics of all these stains on the top. Probably look like ketchup stains or something they opened. But I did, and I was able to get these stains out, so I was happy with that. The seat was pretty bad. The passenger seat, they must have spilled some coffee or some Coke or something, but man, it was actually pretty satisfying to clean this part, and I'm glad I did, because look at all that. That's just crazy. This thing did a good job. Cleaned it really good. I went over it about 2 or 3 times just to make sure. Because once I put those seat covers on, I'm not gonna see this cloth for years. So I wanted to make sure to get a good cleaning. So I finished it up. It looks really good compared to what it was. I'm happy with it. So I made sure to let it dry before I put the seat covers on. As you can see right there, no stains. You can hardly tell if there was. And that's the aftermath. So these were the seat covers I got on Amazon. They were a little pricey, but they weren't as bad as the other ones I saw. It was $129. The instructions were very simple. I even found a video on YouTube that, someone shows you, and it makes it even more simple. So it was real easy to put these on. And like I said, they were a good fit. They fit tight. There was no sliding around. And the quality of the material was pretty good. It felt like actual, leather seats. So overall, I was really impressed with these seat covers. I feel like it made a big difference on the inside, and I'm sure it's going to protect the seats for sure. Especially the front seat. When you get out, you slide out, and you can just tell that after a couple years, the side of the seat's going to tear or get worn really quick. So I'm glad I got these right off the bat. I'm sure 5, 10, 15 years from now, when I take these seat covers off, the bottom is going to look really good still, hopefully. Next, we'll move on to the steering wheel. This was actually really hard. I consider myself to be a fairly strong person, and this was really hard for me. I had to stick my foot inside the steering wheel cover, stretch it as hard as I could just to get it to fit. And I didn't even get it centered, and I was mad about it, but I was like, I'm not about to take this off and try it again. So I just left it like that. Next, I put the dashboard cover. I mean, it was real simple. I didn't put no, you can put those sticky things to stick to the dashboard, so that way it's not sliding. But I didn't want to mess up the dashboard, so I just put it like that, just to lay it on top. It does slide around here and there, but it's not bad. And for $10, it's not too bad either on Temu.